Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Point the handheld optical tachometer at the rotating shaft and read the RPM directly from the display. Keep the meter steady and perpendicular to the shaft for an accurate reading. Maintain 6 to 12 inches distance for most optical tachometers to ensure proper focus. If the rotating surface is dark or reflective, apply a small piece of white tape to create a target. Avoid touching the shaft while measuring and ensure the motor is running at the speed you want to record. Set the strobe light to flash at a frequency near the motor speed and view the rotating shaft. Adjust the strobe frequency until the shaft appears stationary, then read the flash frequency in hertz. Multiply the observed hertz value by 60 to convert the reading to RPM. If the shaft appears stationary twice per revolution, divide the flash frequency by 2 before multiplying by 60. Keep a safe distance from the rotating parts and avoid direct eye exposure to the strobe light. Attach the digital input or scope to the encoder or pickup and count pulses per second. Multiply pulses per second by 60 to obtain RPM when each pulse equals 1 revolution. If the encoder produces multiple pulses per revolution, divide pulses per minute by pulses per revolution first. For example, a 1024 CPR encoder yields 1024 pulses per revolution. So divide total pulses per minute by 1024, and then you have
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.